Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. So, in the previous class, we discussed about the T.H. Morgan's experiment on linkage and this what is that recombination. Okay. So today we will discuss about the sex determination. Fine. So the process of let us understand the meaning of this sex determination. So sex determination is a process of identifying the sex of an individual on the basis of the presence of X or Y chromosomes. Okay, so sex determination is a process of identifying the sex of an individual on the basis of presence of X or Y chromosomes, or even they are called as a sex chromosomes. Okay, so that is the sexual meaning of a sexual determination, sex determination. Okay, fine. Let us see how what are the different findings with respect to the sex determination. Okay, so the scientist, that is Henkin, in the year 1891, he traced specific nuclear structure during the spermatogenesis. Okay, you see, the scientist Henking, in the year 1891, he traced means find out specific nuclear structure during spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the process of formation of sperms of some insects. Okay, so he was conducting experiments on insects and he found out some specific nuclear structures during the formation of sperms on some insects, but he was not knowing what that structures are. So further he observed that 50% of the sperms received this specific structure. You see, the Henking scientist, he observed some specific nuclear structure during the spermatogenesis, and further what he found out was 50% of the sperms received this specific nuclear structure and 50% of the sperms they did not receive this specific nuclear structure. Okay, and Henking gave the name to this as X body. You see, the Henking found out some specific nuclear structure and he was not knowing anything about it, and that is why he gave the name X body to it. Okay, and this X body of Henking was later named as X chromosomes. Okay, so this nuclear structure found out by Henking, he named it as X body, but this X body was later named as a X chromosome. Okay, further types of sex determination. You see, there are different types of sex determination, and let us get familiar with them. So the most common method of this sex determination is a chromosomal mechanism of sex determination. Okay, so the most common method of sex determination is a chromosomal mechanism of sex determination. Okay, and let us see how it is done. Okay, how the sex is determined in this method. So here the sex of an individual is determined. Here means in this chromosomal mechanism of sex determination method. In this method, sex of an individual is determined or decided based on the type of chromosomes. Okay, so in this method, the sex determination is done based on the type of chromosomes. Okay, then question comes, what are the different those types of chromosomes? Okay, let us study about them. So there are two types of chromosomes. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ತರದ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. So one is autosomes and another one is allosomes. Okay, you see here, remember these things. Okay, they are very much important. There are two types of chromosomes. One is autosomes and another one is allosomes. Let us learn what are these allosomes and what are these autosomes. Okay, so first one, autosomes. Autosomes are also called as somatic chromosomes. Okay, so these autosomes or somatic chromosomes, they contain genes. They contain genes which determine the somatic characters or body characters. You see, these autosomes or the somatic chromosomes, they contain genes which decide or which determine the somatic characters or body character. Somatic means ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಅಥವಾ ದೈಹಿಕ. ಸೊ ಸೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಶಾರೀರಿಕ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳು. ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಕ್ಷಣ. ಸೊ ಶರೀರದ ದೇಹದ ಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ದಿಸ್ autosomes. That is why somatic chromosomes. And the next type is allosomes. Allosomes are also called as sex chromosomes. Okay, and these chromosomes, they determine the sex of organisms. Okay, so these are the different two types of chromosomes. Okay, so with this we conclude here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.